Let's now start the first shot of cost. We will learn just 5 simple things. What's cost, what's costing, what's a cost object, what's a cost unit, what's a cost driver. Up to this foundation level, what did we learn as a cost? Suppose this marker I bought it for 25 rupees. DOMS refill marker. Okay, so if I am telling like the cost price was 10, what would be have been my profit? Cost plus profit is equal to selling price. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price is equal to 15 rupees. That much only we have learned as a cost. So now we are learning cost as in a wider term in depth. So cost here means expenditure incurred to make this product. So if I am telling 10 rupees is my cost, as in cost we have to think in producer point of view, seller point of view, not in customer point of view. So the 10 rupees is the expenditure incurred from the seller. So we have learned what is a cost. Cost is the expenditure incurred by a seller. Now what is a costing? When I told the 10 rupees, I told it as a random figure. But when a company tells the actual cost is like 10 rupees. Okay, so who determined it? How it had been determined? That all we will learn, or we have to do in costing. So costing means ascertaining the value. Okay, means not only so to ascertain this value we have to add the raw material cost, labor cost, etc. So the ascertaining the value of the cost is known as costing. Expenditure incurred to make a product is called a cost. Ascertaining the value or the accounting is known as costing. Now let's learn this with a simple example. What is a cost object, unit and a driver? Suppose this is a car. Okay, this is a car. Okay, imagine. So the car, as a producer, I had a manufacturing car of I had a business of manufacturing car. Say this is Maruti Tata Motors. Okay, I am Ratan Tata. Okay, and this is my Tata product. Okay, so I have made this car. So to make this car I need some I need some of its say ingredients, or say some materials like or parts. I needed tires, I needed wheels, horns, steels, glass, etc, etc. So let's say I needed 5 tire. Let's say I needed only 1 horn. Let's say I needed 4 glass, and like on. So I'm telling it again. I am manufacturing a car. I needed some parts to make a whole product, and I needed some of its quantity of the parts. Now let's say in this term, what in costing we learned ascertaining the value of a product. In which product you are ascertaining the value, that product is known as cost object. Earlier I told this product or this marker cost was 10 rupees. So this product is our cost object. If you are ascertaining the value of a car, it's your cost object. So the cost object is your car. And we learned we need some part to manufacture this. So the parts required to manufacture a object is our cost unit. Then I told we needed 5 tires, we needed 4 glass, we needed 1 horn. Like that I told the n number of quantities. That's known as cost driver. Let's say it again. Cost is expenditure incurred to make a product. Costing is ascertaining the value. Cost object is I was ascertaining the value of this car. Cost unit is what all products, what all parts I needed to make a cost object. Cost driver is how many quantity I needed of cost unit. That is our cost driver. That's all.